Okay, guys, it's the fufu challenge. 10-10 fufu. The last time I had this match with Soso, she win me. But this time around, I can't revenge. Although say I come for a rematch. So today now, I will win her. Still on that 10-10 fufu, but I will still win her for the match.
Okay. I do not make noise. Legend don't talk too much. So I'll give you 2 ahead. You eat fufu before I start.
She see me finish. She see me finish. She's giving me 2 ahead. So my first talk before she go start. No wala. Let's go. Let the game begin. 10-10 fufu. Okay, you do it for me. Oh yeah. Oh. 2 ahead, now you talk.
Be careful. I think your shirt is eaten as well.
One down.
Oh, yeah.
Two going down. Right up. When is sure, who call?
Rush up to you.
Yeah, steady down. Small. Four going.
Maybe to buy to tie face. So
Let's go. When is sure, 4 going down.
it's a revenge match, and I'm going to win this one.
Sure.
No cap.
Beat on like 5 ahead.
4 down.
What more can go? More can go. Today you perform.
If it's at this,
Today you're gonna say.
if it's at this, they play that day.
Today you perform.
A revenge match.
Now home and away. Now home it is. That's one and away we go.
Oh, nah, man. This one don't be man. Nah, man.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. This is only quick finish. This will be the same.
Okay, now this is the for the fast one. Alright, ginger.
Alright, let's go.
Number 6. So
6 going down. Your man go day. Eh?
You go see what you got for this side now. Now small, it will go. It will go small. Small.
Easy. Let's go.
Chill. Now I'm going to go down for this side. You don't see now. You don't see what happen now.
Let's go.
You don't see what happen now.
Let's go. Not the look at you. Just the face your own. Just the knock on.
Yeah. The other one don't push it. Pack it. Sharp.
Let's go now.
Oh, I don't know this one.
Let's go.
Ginger.
Now we see who will win. Now we see who will win. Calm down, we see now. You see, small small go for this side. The blood will rush out. If you know what that is in the past.
Let's go. You can do it. That's all you can do it.
Sure.
You can do it. Let's go. You can do it. Just swallow that one.
Just another one.
I want to swallow this can big thing once. Ah, my belly
See
don't
what you
tight.
for inside. Yeah, just see it here. You know that,
Let's go.
Georgia render that one ready for the level.
Till it's plan say whoop me for chest.
Fire on.
I give up. I give up. I beg. I give up.
What's he say? Who does he say she don't?
I give up. I 4 remain. She now 1.5 remain for her own.
Time for you.
Bro, man, I'm tired.
You don't chop me too. She say,
No, I won't challenge you again. I'll make that mistake
Draw
again.
now.
which one be draw? You know, see, you go ahead for that. You say draw. Which one be draw? What be draw? That I didn't finish that half one. She said, first, 2 days this time.
Guys, I failed again.
You don't think you should talk that?
I failed again. But please, fear my return.